Katrina and Casey fashion show. We're in backstage. They're getting ready to be awesomely awesome on this runway of perpetual sorrow. Then, afterwards, we will be telling you the new news, okay? Okay, let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the fashion show begin! First up, there's Katrina. She's wearing her red top that has the American Doll Place logo. She's also wearing her really cool jeans. I love them. Bye, Katrina. Next up is Mia wearing her pink sweater. As you see, her thumbs come through the holes. It's her Girl of the Year sweatshirt. She's wearing a Just Like You skirt, which you can get with the Just Like You doll. And I like her hair. Thank you, Mia. Next up, finally, there's Julie wearing her rockin' purple dress. It has a spaghetti strap, it comes down, it has some ribbons, it flares at the bottom, it has a style tang, and rockin' stuff you all need. So give it up for the American Doll Fashion Show, brought to you by Katrina and Casey Show. Now for the morning news. Back to you, Harry. Pause. Now back to you, Casey. Hi. Well, next up, we'll be having, showing of Samantha's room, the American Girl store in our school. We will be showing you Julie's room, Katrina's room, Mia's room, my room, the library, the bathroom, and our studio. We don't know what we're getting next, so don't tell anyone. Bye. With the Katrina and Casey Show news. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.